I am super excited. It came today, got my Playoctopus, and it is installed right there, ready for customers to play. And it looks pretty sharp. It's got a nice tablet mount. It's Velcro, brilliant, and it comes with a cord that you can run over for the power, of course. But yeah, it's got some nifty games on there people can play. And my car's already been referred to as Cash Cab because I get in and it's lit up at night. So now it really could be $25 winner for the highest points of the day. Over $100,000 paid out to winners. Cool. They can even get the weather. They can check out the map. They can also see driver profile once I update it. But yeah, pretty cool so far. Easy install. I'm a big fan, huge fan of Velcro. In my earlier days when I was a DJ running as DJ Captain Morgan, if there was a second name for runner-up for what I would have ran under, it would have been DJ Velcro. So anyway, Playoctopus is here. I'm going to start earning that $100 a month and see what happens, man. I think the customers are really going to like it. So let's go active, see what happens.